it's my first hackathon and I'm working from home.
We are really doing some big steps forward.
This hackathon is a unique opportunity to work together and learn from each other.
You are interacting with people from different backgrounds.
With people with this positive and modern mindset.
I mean, it's been great getting direct feedback from police officers and detectives on what they need, how their daily activities look like.
1, 2, Polizei, 3, 4, Grenadier.
Smart Policing Hackathon.
And I'm here. I'm sitting over there.
Ah, really?